Let's get to something we like to call social media check-in.
All right, our first one comes from Don Hamilton, a VIP Brad Squad member. After getting my work permit through a marriage-based petition, can I work in another state apart from my spouse until the I-130 petition is approved?
Legally, yes. Realistically, not smart idea, because you and your spouse are living apart. You got to prove it's a bona fide marriage. As soon as you get your work permit, you fly to coop. It's really not the best way to prove a bona fide marriage.
Okay, Anna Lee Parker, Brad Squad VIP member. My friend applied for a new work permit under C9 because the one she had expired. It's been almost 7 months since she sent the application in. She only received the 180 days extension notice. However, that 100-day extension will expire soon. Should she refile?
No, what you should do is try to request a humanitarian expedite. That's what you should be doing, either for humanitarian reasons. Perhaps your boss is willing or will provide information that he's going to let you go if you don't get a work permit soon. They can't work legally for the person, so it depends. But you would try to expedite it. That's what you try to do. Don't file a new one.
Okay, Niyi Kunli, Brad Squad VIP member. I found love and we're about to formalize our relationship, but my mind is also on my status adjustment. She agreed to help me for file, but she said she doesn't have tax papers and that she never filed for taxes. This is strange to me as I have never heard of that. Is there any way out?
Yes. If she's working, file back taxes. If she's not working, explain why she doesn't work, why she doesn't have a tax return, and get a second affidavit of support.
Okay, John Adele, a VIP Brad Squad member. Can I go on vacation overseas with my advanced parole, or is it only for emergency purposes?
Bon voyage. Enjoy your vacation.
Tia Diane, Facebook. How long does USCIS take to review cases, and why further review?
Because it's a bureaucracy. It's the U.S. government. They're completely overwhelmed, and it's a case-by-case basis why your case is taking so particularly long.
Okay, Elizabeth Francis on Facebook. Dion Gordon on Facebook. How soon after getting my green card through marriage can I apply for citizenship?
3 years.
Leslie Benoit on YouTube. A friend of mine has a pending I-130. Priority date is July 15th, 2020. He's married to an LPR. He entered the U.S. with a J1 visa. Is his priority date current now? If his priority date is current, can he adjust his status?
He can adjust his status as long as he doesn't have a 2-year bar and he's in legal status, married to a resident. Priority dates are current for everybody.
CE user on YouTube. Is it normal for a child under 14 applying for the N600 to have a notice to appear for an oath ceremony and also take biometrics?
No, it is not. You should not be getting an oath ceremony or biometrics on an N600.
Okay, Cami876 on YouTube. If I came to the U.S. on a tourist visa, how long do I need to wait before getting married?
At minimum 90 days.
Nadia Higgs on YouTube.
Woo, we're going through this, man.
We are. I like it. I filed VAWA on in June 2020 and got a prima facie in September. My 12 and 15-year-old sons are on the application. I'm going for biometrics Tuesday, but they didn't get an appointment. Is this normal?
Yes, because, well, the 12-year-old doesn't get one because he's under 13. The 15-year-old should have got one.
Okay, Kimberlyn Burris on YouTube. Is it normal to have the I-693 deficiency notice before getting the biometrics notice?
Yes, they're coming for everybody now.
Superlicious Dishes on
Superlicious
YouTube.
Dishes.
Mm-hmm.
Like it.
Yeah, me too. How can I find out if an I-601 waiver was approved or not?
Well, you could, if you have the case number, you can go on to the case online status at USCIS. If you have no idea what the case number is, you can do it for you.
O'Dane Thompson on YouTube. How long will it take for an I-130 to process if I'm filing from the U.S. for someone in Jamaica? The filing started February 27, 2021.
Who's the someone?
I can't tell you that.
Okay. Well, who are you? Are you a citizen or a resident? Let's assume he's a citizen and the someone is a wife.
Okay.
But if your wife knew that you were called that she was called a someone,
right.
You're in trouble, man, right?
Right. Absolutely.
All right. So between us, it's over a year for your wife.
All right, Sunday Unuadu on YouTube. I got married to a U.S. citizen in 2017. I went for my first interview in 2019 and second interview January 2021. There's still no decision yet on my case. What can I do?
Mandamus.
Joel Henry on YouTube. How long does it take for the Texas Service Center to approve an I-751?
Over 2 years.
Yannick Sterlis on Facebook. How long is it taking now to process removal of conditions when married to a U.S. citizen? And can I travel to internationally while in removal of my conditions?
You can travel internationally as long as you have your extension notice and the expired green card. It's taking 2 years these days.
Chantal May on Facebook. My mother just got her green card through VAWA, and she wants to file for her daughter who's 29 and in America. How long would it take?
5 to 7 years.
All right, Rosemary Barnes on YouTube. How can I apply for a work visa to work in the healthcare field?
Get a job offer.
Aaron Esson SNR on YouTube. How can a U.S. citizen sponsor a friend to immigrate to the U.S. permanently?
There's such thing as friend sponsorship.
Richard Diamond on YouTube. My I-751 was denied while I was outside the U.S. Also, my green card expired while I was outside. Can I apply for a student visa or a visitor's visa to get into the U.S.?
No, because you've already showed an immigrant intent. You need a consultation immediately.
Carlos Estrella on YouTube. Can an 18-year-old resident become an American citizen, or does he have to wait till he's 21?
An 18-year-old can file for naturalization if they've had 5 years of a green card.
All right, last one, Neptune Pierre on YouTube. What's the next step after my I-130 has been renewed?
If your I-130?
What's the next step after my I-130 has been reviewed?
Oh, reviewed.
Reviewed.
Wait for an approval. There you got it. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.